To research when and where smoke detectors were required in a home, start by checking local building codes. Contact the local building department or visit their website to search for building codes or ordinances related to smoke detectors. These documents will typically provide the specific dates and requirements for smoke detector installation. Secondly, review state fire safety laws. Visit the website of the state's fire marshal's office or Department of Fire Safety and search for laws or regulations governing smoke detectors in homes. These laws may provide statewide requirements or specify minimum standards for municipalities to adopt. Thirdly, consult national standards. The National Fire Protection Association (NFPA) publishes standards for smoke detector installation and use. Visit the NFPA website and search for the following standards: NFPA 72 National Fire Alarm and Signaling Code and NFPA 101 Life Safety Code. Fourthly, examine historical documents. Check local historical society records or libraries for archives of building codes and fire safety regulations from the past. These documents can provide insights into the evolution of smoke detector requirements. Fifthly, contact local fire departments. Reach out to the fire department serving the area. Firefighters are typically knowledgeable about local fire safety laws and can provide guidance on when and where smoke detectors became mandatory. Be aware that smoke detector requirements may vary depending on the age and type of a home. It is always advisable to install smoke detectors in every bedroom, outside each sleeping area, and on every level of the home. Regularly test and replace smoke detectors as recommended by the manufacturer. Smoke detectors play a vital role in ensuring home fire safety, and understanding the requirements for their installation is crucial. Building codes are sets of regulations governing the design, construction, alteration, and maintenance of buildings. These codes are adopted and enforced by local jurisdictions such as cities, counties, or states to ensure the safety and welfare of the public. They address various aspects of building construction, including structural integrity, fire safety, electrical systems, plumbing, and energy efficiency. The codes typically specify minimum requirements for materials, methods, and systems used in construction, as well as procedures for inspection and enforcement. The purpose of building codes is to protect occupants from hazards such as fire, structural collapse, and unsanitary conditions. By setting standards for construction practices, these codes help to minimize risks and ensure that buildings are safe and habitable. Furthermore, building codes promote consistency and quality in construction, contributing to the overall durability and value of buildings. Fire safety laws and regulations are legal requirements designed to minimize the risk of fire and protect people and property from its devastating effects. These laws are typically enacted at the state or local level and may vary depending on the type of building, occupancy, and other factors. They cover a wide range of topics, including fire prevention, fire detection, and fire suppression. Some common examples of fire safety laws include requirements for smoke detectors, fire extinguishers, fire sprinklers, and fire-resistant building materials. These laws may also regulate activities that pose a fire risk, such as open burning, storage of flammable materials, and use of fireworks. The National Fire Protection Association (NFPA) plays a crucial role in developing and promoting fire safety standards and codes. NFPA standards are widely recognized and adopted by governments, industries, and organizations around the world. These standards provide guidance on various aspects of fire safety, including fire prevention, fire protection, and emergency response. NFPA 72, the National Fire Alarm and Signaling Code, is a comprehensive standard that covers the application, installation, performance, and maintenance of fire alarm systems and signaling systems used for emergency communications. It addresses a wide range of topics, including system design, equipment selection, testing, and inspection. NFPA 101, the Life Safety Code, is another important standard that focuses on the protection of building occupants from fire and other hazards. It establishes minimum requirements for building design, construction, and operation to provide a reasonable degree of safety from fire. The Life Safety Code covers a wide range of topics, including means of egress, fire protection features, and occupant notification systems. It is widely used by architects, engineers, building officials, and fire marshals to ensure the safety of building occupants. Historical documents are invaluable resources for understanding the evolution of building codes and fire safety regulations. These documents provide insights into the past practices, technologies, and priorities that shape the development of these regulations. By examining historical records, it is possible to trace the origins of current codes and identify the factors that influence their adoption. These documents can also reveal how codes have evolved over time in response to new knowledge, changing social values, and technological advancements. Local fire departments play a crucial role in fire safety education and enforcement. Firefighters are not only responsible for responding to fires and other emergencies, but also for preventing them from occurring in the first place. They conduct fire safety inspections of buildings to ensure compliance with fire codes and regulations. During these inspections, firefighters look for potential hazards such as blocked exits, faulty electrical wiring, and improper storage of flammable materials. They also check to ensure that fire protection systems, such as smoke detectors and fire extinguishers, are properly installed and maintained. In addition to inspections, fire departments also conduct public education programs to raise awareness of fire safety issues and promote safe practices. These programs may include demonstrations, workshops, and presentations on topics such as fire prevention, home safety, and emergency preparedness. By educating the public about fire safety, fire departments help to reduce the risk of fires and protect lives and property. Smoke detector requirements vary depending on the age and type of home due to changes in building codes and fire safety regulations over time. Older homes may not have been subject to the same requirements as newer homes, and different types of homes, such as single-family homes, apartments, and manufactured homes, may have different requirements. Therefore, it is important to research the specific requirements that apply to a particular home based on its age and type. Generally, it is advisable to install smoke detectors in every bedroom, outside each sleeping area, and on every level of the home, even if it is not required by law. This provides the best possible protection for occupants in the event of a fire. Regularly testing and replacing smoke detectors is essential for ensuring their proper functioning. Smoke detectors should be tested at least once a month to ensure that they are working properly. This can be done by pressing the test button on the detector and listening for the alarm sound. If the detector does not sound or sounds weak, the battery should be replaced immediately. Smoke detectors should also be replaced every 10 years, regardless of whether they are hardwired or battery-powered. Over time, the sensors in smoke detectors can become less sensitive, reducing their ability to detect smoke. Therefore, it is important to replace smoke detectors regularly to ensure that they provide reliable protection. Smoke detectors save lives by providing early warning of a fire, giving occupants time to escape to safety. According to the National Fire Protection Association (NFPA), smoke detectors reduce the risk of dying in a fire by nearly 50%. When a fire starts, smoke and toxic gases can spread quickly, making it difficult to see and breathe. Smoke detectors detect these hazards and sound an alarm, alerting occupants to the danger. This early warning can make the difference between life and death, especially for children and the elderly who may have difficulty escaping a fire on their own.